NCCER Electrical Level 2 Module 11 Control System. The approximate inrush current of filament type lamps is how many times the normal operating current? 15 to 17. Melting alloy and bimetallic overload relays are designed to approximate heat generated in motor. The enclosure for a low-voltage switching system in a residential installation should be _____. Readily accessible but hidden from sight. The highest voltage rating for a magnetic relay is _____. 600 V. If a solid-state relay is used to control a DC circuit, N_______ is used to connect the load to the line. Power transistors. The letters RP appear in a diamond shape on a schematic diagram. This denotes ______. Relay with pilot. A manual reversing starter uses _____. A mechanical interlock. A low-voltage control circuit is separates from the load circuit. The two classifications of overload relays are thermal and magnetic. Solid-state relays normally have control voltage of 3V to 32V. Which of the following best describes a control relay? An electromagnetic device used in control circuits. The maximum tungsten/infrared load amperage for a NEMA size 2 magnetic contactor at 230V is _____. 30A. In a magnetic endpoint 0. Contactor, the circuit is closed when movable contact makes contact with stationary contact. Which of the following has the advantage of being resistant to shock and vibration and is commonly used for the I/O track of a programmable controller? Solid-state relay. Which of the following symbols is normally used to indicate a separate pilot? A diamond with a large P and a small l. True or false? Most overload relays used on modern motor starters are thermally operated. True. Per NEC section 300.4a, if the edge of the hole is closer than 1.25 inch, 32 mm, from the nearest edge of the stud, the cable must be protected by a ______or ______. Steel plate, bushing. What is the major difference between a contactor and a motor starter? The starter provides overload protection while a contactor does not. Transformers for remote control switching systems supply _____. 24V. The maximum tungsten/infrared load amperage for a NEMA size 0 magnetic contactor is _____. 10A. N______ is used to provide a continuous magnetic flow to the armature when the voltage of the AC waveform is 0. Shading coil. A furnace might use an on delay to _____. Avoid blowing cold air into the space when the system starts up. Low voltage remote control switching relays use a split coil. The maximum tungsten/infrared load amperage for a NEMA size 00 magnetic contactor at 230V is _____. 5A. A type of relay controlled by a magnetic field is a, n, underscore underscore underscore. Read relay. Which of the following is a probable cause of a relay failing to drop out? Operating coil energized. The low voltage panel enclosure should be installed. Eye level between two studs. What does the word normally refer to in regard to relay contacts? The placement of the contacts when the circuit is de-energized. Contacts that are together when the relay is de-energized are said to be normally closed. Which of the following can provide motor overload protection but have the disadvantage of being non-renewable? Dual-element rotime relay fuses. A type of renewable overload device is a underscore underscore underscore. Melting alloy relay. The overload relays in machines associated with continuous processing typically activate a, n. Alarm circuit. Emergency lighting circuits often use. Magnetic relays. When selecting overload relays for motors, which of the following must be considered? The motor full load current. Mechanically held relays and contactors use two coils and a, n, underscore 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 mechanism to provide for quiet operation of the circuit. Latching. Power to operate low voltage switching system is supplied by transformer. If the equipment fails to start with the contactor closed, probable causes would be one contact not closing, burned contacts, or a broken underscore 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 underscore. Pigtail connection. Mechanically held relays would most likely be used in a underscore underscore underscore. Hospital, auditoriums, churches. Increasing the armature spring forest will result in higher dropout values. Solid-state AC relays can be controlled by triacs or a, n, underscore 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 underscore. Read relay. The contactor action is dependent on current flow. The contactor is described as electrically held. The location of all lighting fixtures is shown on the floor plan. The function of a shading coil in a contactor is to underscore 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 prevent contact chatter and hum. Where low-voltage cable must be run parallel with high-voltage cable, it should be separated by minimum of underscore 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 6-inch, 150 millimeters. Which of the following best describes a relay that is used for motor protection? Thermal overload relay. The most likely application of a contactor is a reversing motor starter with external overload protection. The normal maximum amperage rating of control relays at 600 V is underscore 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 15A. On magnetic contactors, which contacts are said to be normally open and no? Those that are apart when the relay is de-energized. A device that allows relays to be controlled as a group while still allowing individual switch control is a underscore 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 master sequencer. A motor overload relay consists of a current sensing unit and a mechanism activated by the sensing unit that Open the motor circuit. An opto-isolate solid-state relay is activated by light. On electrical drawings, the symbol used for denoting low-voltage devices is A_____. Diamond. The operating coil of a relay is designed to work properly at _____. 80% to 110% of the rated voltage. Because filament-type lamps have large inrush currents, standard motor control contactors must be ______ if used to control this type of load. Derated. Unlike contactors, which are generally used to switch power circuits on relatively high current loads, relays are normally used in low current ______ circuits. Control. A single contact device can be used to control multiple loads using A____. Multiple pole relay. When color coding low voltage remote control switching systems, _____. Use the same color for the DC positive and common lead throughout the system. Lighting contactors. Rated for high inrush currents.